Hi everyone and welcome to the Chibi Cafe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button to get notifications on future videos, and everything in this video will be listed at the end. Let's get started! Now you want to take your fabric, fold it in half, and then fold it in half lengthwise. The first row will have 3 so-called petals in your snowflake. So just do the same thing. Sort of group them together in your hand so that you can easily adjust them. When you have your 3 pieces folded, you want to make sure that the top sides are all facing the same direction, and then just flip it over to the scraggly bit and cut a diagonal line down. Hold it with the tweezers, and you can either use a lighter, which is easier than using a candle actually. Run that bit along the flame, and you'll want to melt that together and pinch it. You want to do the same thing to the top and melt the tips together and set that aside. Now for the next 2 rows, you'll just use 2 little petals. And you want to do the exact same thing you did with the first row. Once you've got them all together, now you can glue them. Take the top row, the one with 3, put the glue along the top to the bottom, open that second grouping wide, and then just pinch it together down on the top. Same thing, but you just want to put a splodge on the tip. Open that wide, and then slip that in and pinch it together. And that will create 1 petal of your snowflake. Now just a tip, if you're using this with satin fabric, you might be able to glue it together, but I'm using a really hard, tough, metallic fabric, and you're just gonna have to sew that. Believe me, I did try gluing it together, but it did not work whatsoever. So just take your string and sew it together at the tip, and then just string all the petals on. Once you've done that, arrange it and tighten it, and then tie a knot on the bottom side. And because I'm putting this on a wreath, I need a backing. So just a good splodge of glue on a circle. Glue it down to the back. Now you want to hide the middle and each of the connecting seams. So here I'm using a pearl and rhinestone. I'm just going to put a little hot glue on that, glue it to the middle, and then some little rhinestone flowers. And there you have it. It's simple and easy. Thanks for watching. Here's a quick list of everything that was used. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And why don't you check out some of the other videos on my channel? I post regularly, and if you could spread the word about the Chibi Cafe and help support us, that would be great. Have fun crafting!